In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go paperless Charles Schwab. Going paperless is fast, secure, and helps you stay organized by keeping your key account documents in one place online. This should take no more than a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect afterward. Start on the Charles Schwab website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click Profile. In the Profile area, select Paperless. That opens your paperless preferences, which is where you choose what you want to receive electronically instead of by mail. You'll see options to check boxes for statements, tax documents, trade confirmations, and other documents. Check the boxes for everything you want to go paperless. If your goal is a fully digital mailbox, go ahead and select all four. Then scroll to the bottom and click Submit or Save to apply your choices. That's it. Your paperless settings are now turned on. Here's what actually goes paperless once you've enabled it. Your account statements will be delivered online, so you can review monthly or quarterly activity without waiting for mail. Tax forms, including common ones like 1099 and 1042S, will appear in your account when they're issued. Trade confirmations for your buys and sells will be available digitally as well. You'll also receive shareholder materials online, helping you keep disclosures and reports in one place without the clutter. All of these documents stay stored in your account for years, so you can reference or download them whenever you need. After you switch, you'll receive an email notification when new documents are ready. To find them, go to Accounts, then Statements and Tax Forms. From there, you can view or download PDFs anytime for your records. Paper copies will stop except in rare cases where regulations require a mailed notice. If you don't see an expected email, it can be helpful to check your spam folder or simply log in directly to review new documents. A few important notes before we wrap up. Some documents may still be mailed due to regulatory requirements, so don't be surprised if an occasional item arrives in your mailbox. It can take 24 to 48 hours for changes to fully apply across your profile, so give it a little time. And if you ever change your mind, you can switch back to paper at any point by returning to the same paperless settings. That's all it takes to go paperless with Charles Schwab. Quick, clean, and convenient.